Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and waiting a minute to avoid airbag/electrical faults. Use a plastic pry tool to lift the shifter boot by releasing the clips at the base. This exposes screws and retention points. Once done, unclip the small front trim panels on both sides. There are 2 push clips each, so the upper console begins to separate. Move deliberately. Plastic trim is brittle on older 328i models, so apply even pressure and listen for clip release sounds. You now remove the screws and bolts holding the console. Most are Torx T25 and a couple Phillips. Once you've removed visible fasteners, gently lift the console to find wiring harnesses under the cup holder and near the lighter. Depress the tabs and disconnect them. Also release the HVAC and seat heater switch connectors. Note their clip orientation. After that, slide the rear trim piece off to access the 2 rear console bolts. Take care not to yank the console, while electrical connections remain attached. You finish by lifting the console straight up and rearward. If it resists, stop and recheck for hidden clips or an overlooked cable. Keep screws and plastic clips organized in labeled containers to make reassembly quick and accurate. Once removed, inspect checkboxes and harnesses for wear, and reconnect battery only after reassembly. If something won't come free, recheck screw locations and depressed release tabs. Forcing the panel risks breaking clip bosses, so methodically work each attachment until the console releases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.